Waheguru, Waheguru. Friends, this is letter number 15. Title is Who's the Top Criminal? Printed in Writing Bag, Sunday Magazine, The Hindustan Times, November 5, 1995. Sir, apropos the article on the Bharatiya Janata Party, Sunday Magazine, October 8, political parties, the press, the pulpit and propaganda are the four pillars of a democratic edifice, EDI, EDIFICE, and are guided mostly by the philosophy of laissez-faire, LAISSEZ, LAISSEZ, and fair, FAIRE, FAIRE, FAIRE. Our democracy is unique. Our democracy is unique in that it not only allows the functioning of a multiple party system, it goes further by allowing ALLOWING caste-based and regional parties, regional parties, REGIONAL, regional parties. 2. Such coexistence, COXEXISTENCE, is a matter of pride for Indian democracy. Full stop. Whether they are mass-based MASS, BASED, or CADRE, cadre-based, CADRE, BASED, cadre-based, caste-based, CASTEBASED, or region-based, REGION, region-based, the only criterion, CRITERION, of judgment, CRITERION, of judgment of a political party is the policy and programs it offers on the ELEC, TORATE, electorate, a wild and generalized allegation against the Congress of the post-independence era, ERA, is that it is a party of debased, DEBASED, values, that it has given nothing to the country except criminalization, 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 except criminalization, CRIMINalisation, corruption, and STAGNATION. Such irresponsible arguments are showed SHOWERED upon the electorate, ELECTORATs, especially on the eve of election, SPECIALLY, on the eve of election. I am not a congressman. I am not a congressman. CONGRESSMAN. I am not a congressman. I do not know any of its leaders. I do not know any of its leaders, and I have never attended any public meeting or any political party, and I have never attended any public meeting or any political party. But as an ordinary citizen, I have the right to ask a very pertinent, PERTINENT, ask a very pertinent, PERTINENT question or criminalization, CRIMINALISation. Who is the biggest criminal of this country? Who is the biggest criminal of this country? Obviously, OBVIOU, OBVIOUSLY, OBVIOUSLY, comma, the man who killed the Mahatma. The man who killed the Mahatma. Corruption is a malady, malady, rampant, RAMPANT, rampant in all political parties. The worst, worst type of corruption in a democracy, however, are religious corruption and bribes to scribes, SCRIBES. Perhaps the nation still remembers the case of the income tax officer who wanted an account of the money collected during the Janata Party government, of which the predecessor, predecessor, PREDECESSOR of the Bharatiya Janata Party. The Jan Sangh was a leading partner. The Jana Sangh SANGH was a leading partner. The post-independence performance of the Congress can be briefly 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 summed SUMMED up as 5-year plans. 5-year plans. The cooperative COOPER ATIVE movement, grassroots GRASS grassroots democracy, Panchayati 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 Raj and LIBERALI SATION liberalization LIBERALISATION. Meanwhile, the Congress main rival has been crying hawks hawks on a one-point program PROGRAMME program. Congress hatao CONGRESS hatao HATAO hatao. Yours etc. Mahesh Inder Sharma. Classical singer, station director, writer, All India Radio. Thanks. Waheguru.